Picture this. You're browsing online late at night, you've got a question, and instead of waiting for a support agent, a little chat box pops up. Hi, how can I help you today? That's not a person typing. It's an AI chatbot. So what exactly is an AI chatbot? At its core, it's a computer program built to simulate conversation with humans. You type or speak, it responds. No waiting, no hold music. Just instant interaction. Now, the older versions of chatbots were pretty limited. They could only give answers from a fixed list, like following a script. But today's chatbots are different. They're powered by artificial intelligence, specifically a field called natural language processing, or NLP. That's the technology that allows them to actually understand language, context, and tone, and then generate responses that feel human. Here's the difference. Traditional bots are like pressing buttons on an automated phone line. Press 1 for this, press 2 for that. An AI chatbot, on the other hand, is like talking to an improv actor. You give them a prompt, and they can create a unique response on the spot. One of the most popular examples is ChatGPT by OpenAI. ChatGPT can write essays, answer questions, brainstorm ideas, and even role-play conversations. It's trained on massive amounts of text data, which helps it predict the most useful or natural response. That's why people use it for everything from business emails to creative writing. Another rising star is Gemini, developed by Google. Gemini is designed to not only chat but also connect with Google's broader ecosystem. It can integrate with tools like Search, Docs, or Gmail, making it a powerful assistant for productivity as well as conversation. And of course, there are the voice-powered assistants you already know, Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant, all versions of chatbots you can literally talk to. So why are they important? For businesses, chatbots are game changers. They can handle thousands of customer conversations at once, reduce costs, and provide 24/7 support. For individuals, they're like personal assistants in your pocket, ready to explain concepts, plan schedules, or even tell you a joke when you need a break. Now, they're not perfect. Sometimes AI chatbots get confused, or they generate answers that sound right but aren't accurate. That's because they don't think like humans. Instead, they work by recognizing patterns in data and predicting what words come next. They're smart imitators, not conscious beings. Still, the progress is undeniable. AI chatbots are becoming part of our daily lives in ways we barely notice, from customer service chats to healthcare advice, to tools that help students and professionals learn faster. And this is only the beginning. The more these systems evolve, the more natural and powerful the conversations will become. If you found this breakdown helpful and want to keep exploring how AI is shaping our future, hit that like button, subscribe, and stick around, because in upcoming videos, we'll dive deeper into how tools like ChatGPT and Gemini are changing the way we work, create, and communicate.